far this summer, this is what we've been doing. He's so pretty. Well, we want to know what your summer's like. Send all your ideas, tips, videos to charlieraandom@live.com. We'll be waiting. Yeah! To wrap this video up, I'm going to send a shout out to Monica Channeling. Yeah.